Right, as you can see, Spongy's around there, he's working quite hard at the minute, and I found this big plank of wood. Look, I'll show you it. It's got a knob on it just for added effect, look. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go round there and crack Spongy as hard as I can round the back with it. He's going to go fucking mental. Just hope I don't get caught while I'm doing it. So I'm going to set the camera up, you have to bear with me, then I'll go and do it, alright?